Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I came here. It's a church. It's lovely. See how nicely they have decorated the Christmas tree. It's a late update. It's the update for Christmas. That's my son. That's my daughter. And I'll just show you guys quickly. That is baby Jesus. There isn't anyone, and it's purely because of this pandemic, nothing else. He's very excited to see the Christmas tree and the toys. This is how it looks from outside, guys. This is how Christ was born. So nicely they have depicted the story. See, guys, it's so nice, beautiful. Actually, I told my children how he was born, how things happened, how he was crucified. They did not understand. I showed them videos, still they had doubts. Then I thought that I'll bring them to our church and only then they'll understand. Take a close look, guys. It's beautifully decorated. This is the place you guys can see, and it's such a big tree. That's the evening sun. It's time for sunset. This tree is so lovely. This is the actual tree, no? It should be decorated. My son is super excited, and my daughter too. This is Immaculate Heart of Mary Church, and this is not the only church. We have other churches here too, but I managed to come here only. Lovely flowers. Every time, whenever I come to a church, I really feel good. I used to go to a missionary school, so I kind of like all this very much. See, guys, this is so well decorated and well maintained. They maintain the church, the decoration, everything. It's looking lovely, guys. Due to COVID, it's so empty. People have not come, but still, it's really nice. My children, they're super excited. I'm once again saying, like, my son is seeing a church for the first time. Last year also we have taken him to a church, but he doesn't remember. He was actually too small. After a long time they are out of the house, so these two are really enjoying. May 2021 brings peace and a COVID-free world. It's something we badly need. Really tired, of masks and all. Can't go out. Children cannot go to school. There are so many people who have actually lost their jobs. That's another family, another small child. Can't even go, can't play just because of this. Don't touch this, don't go there, don't put your hand in your mouth, and so many other things. So many do nots. Okay. He's running. He wants to touch everything, and we all are telling him, no, don't touch this, do not touch that. Oh, Mithai, Mithai, Mithai. Hello, hello. I call him Mithai, and I call my daughter Mishti. So both are sweets. I like these bright yellow flowers. I actually do not know the name. They look like sunflower, but I don't know what they are. They look really nice. Lovely stars, guys. I remember when I was a child, I used to go to school. Our school was, decorated like this. We celebrated every Christmas in a grand way. So many people, doesn't matter if you're a Hindu or a Muslim or a Christian, used to celebrate Christmas in a grand way. Used to eat cakes, and I still miss my school days, my friends. And this year has been like, yeah, they're coming again. This year is so exceptional, but we are really happy that finally we could make it. So guys, with that, I'll end today's video, guys. I hope you guys have liked it. So if you like it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you want more videos, hit the bell icon. You will get the videos, you will get the notification of my upcoming videos. So guys, with that I'll end. Take care, be happy. I wish you a very happy new year. Bye bye.